have been invited to check out what's new. So apparently Fishbar have a few new items. Let's go in, let's check it out. Of course, I'm gonna mask up and we're going in to see what's new at Fishbar. Now I can't wait also because I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna grab something to eat when I'm leaving as well. And I did check out their menu online before I got here, and they have some really good stuff. I can't wait to check it out. Okay guys, so I was browsing through the gourmet section of Fishbar and I am so impressed. Now I always try to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and once you are on my page or any of my social media platforms, you will know that I always try to encourage a healthy lifestyle. So some of the things that I find very interesting on this gourmet section is date sugar. So it's basically crushed dates. Another thing, you can get oats and honey granola, which I love, and even cereal. So you can get granola cereal, which is also organic. So everything is basically organic. And one of the wonderful things about Fishbar is they try to stick with a healthy lifestyle as well. They support that, they promote that. A lot of their pre-packaged seafood as well, it is less salt. They try to maintain that healthy seasoning options as well. Well, we'll get to that shortly when we get to the freezer section, but I thought that's very interesting because I always try to use a healthier approach to seasoning meat as well, and even vegetarian dishes. So they also encourage that, and once you are here, you will see for yourself. So a lot of the items that they have, it is definitely the healthier choice. So just to give you a little bit more of an idea, I love the utensils they have, which is rose gold. So if you want cute utensils to use in your kitchen, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, pink spatulas! Pink spatulas! You can't go wrong with a pink spatula. Rose gold spatula, and this one is $40. I try to not eat too much flour, and they have a few really good options here, like soybean spaghetti, chickpea penne, red lentil rotini. I mean, come on guys, high in iron, you can't go wrong, and the prices are really good. And of course on this section they have freshly made bread every day. So I will show you this one. Oops. This one is $25, and what is it? Type of bread. Oh, sweet potato bread. Can't go wrong. It smells amazing. So definitely check it out. Now I'm here a little bit late. It is late in the afternoon. It is probably close to 4 o'clock. So a lot of items has been already sold out. So there's a few customers in, so I'm going to keep my mask on, and I hope you all can hear me. Today I think they have chana and aloo and roti with duck or shrimp, which I think is pretty cool. So we have uncooked shrimp, easy peel. These have the shell on, but there are also ones without the shell as well, I believe. So you can just wash them. So it's already clean and deveined and all of that. And then of course you have a variety of fish, which I love. You can also get smoked herring. These are like jumbo shrimp. And then of course they with mussels as well. So you can get exotic seafood, well, mussels and lambi and so on. I consider exotic seafood. So there's also lambi. I love lambi. Lambi is basically conchs, right? Right now, I think this is my favorite section. They have already seasoned packaged seafood that you can just take home and just throw in your pot and saute. Let me show you what I mean. This one I definitely want to try. So this is seasoned Cajun shrimp. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks so juicy. And again, guys, remember that they use the healthier option when it comes to seasoning, right? No MSG, less salt. This is another one I would love to try. So this is jerked seasoned shrimp, and it's a good bit, 1.5 pounds. You can't go wrong. And there's also seasoned kingfish. And look at that, you can tell it's fresh seasoning. Fresh season. I can't wait to try. So this is garlic butter, salmon, and look at this. Look at the seasoning in it. You can tell there's bits of parsley in there. You can tell it's fresh pepper in there. It's really good stuff. So of course you can also grab cold cuts. So there are chicken wraps here, turkey wraps. There's also chicken sub, salmon sandwich. This is really good. And Fishbar also have their own brewed coffee, their own latte and chai tea, lemon iced tea. I'm definitely going to try this. I can't wait to try this. So this is $22. It's not bad. And of course they have freshly squeezed cucumber juice. So you just give it a shake, and they're freshly made, guys. They're cold pressed juices. So you can't go wrong with that. To the other section. And I think in my last video I showed you guys the wontons, which I love. Imagine you have pre-wrapped wonton. There are also a variety of veggies and stuff now. So you can get like fruits and veggies or onion rings. The seafood shepherd's pie is to die for. I enjoyed this. You take these, they're frozen, pre-packaged by Fishbar, and you just thaw it out a little bit and then you pop it into your oven. So you would love that. There's also chicken lasagna. Well, you know my thing is seafood. So, oh, look at this one. Creamy pumpkin spinach lasagna. Okay, I would love this. This sounds yummy. And all the directions is on it. All the directions is here. I also tried the quality seafood super ready, but I've never tried this. Creamy roasted tomato soup. I know, right? So this looks really good. I'll definitely be trying that. And let's see what's on the other side. Oh, they're also macaroni pie. Macaroni pie. You can't go wrong with macaroni pie. And guys, they also have pizza. So you can just, it's frozen pizza, you just pop it into the oven, you can't go wrong. So, you know, if you are having a little lime at home, something small, and you do not have the time to prepare all these things, just come and you can grab a few items here, pop it into the oven, and you're good to go. So let's continue. This section, as I said, I came here a little bit late, so everything has been sold out, but usually it is filled with food. But let me just give you a little idea on what you see here. This is stewed chicken and bus up shot, right? So you'll get stewed chicken, chana and aloo, and there's mango and pumpkin. And there's also curry shrimp here. There's curry duck as well. I think curry duck is on this side. So, and of course guys, don't forget that the menu is posted every day. So you all can check out the menu and you will know what to look out. And how cute this is for Easter! Easter cookies, $45. This is really cool. CBD chocolates. You can't go wrong with CBD chocolates. I feel I'll be trying one of these for sure. So another thing to check out would be this section. So this is some ceviche, is it? Oh look, fish ceviche. You can even have yourself a fruit salad or a shrimp. This is what? Mediterranean shrimp salad. Yum. Oh, there's also ahi tuna salad. Yum. And of course you have the option. Just grab yourself a dessert. Okay, so let me just tell you all, as I browsing through Fishbar, I am just seeing new things to mention and show you guys. So one of the wonderful things about Fishbar, you can also grab yourself a gift certificate. So there are $200, $300, $450. That's pretty awesome. Grab yourself a gift certificate, and yeah, it's a perfect gift. And you can see all their halal documents right here, so you know it is 100% legit halal. So that's basically it. You can get all sorts of really delicious things here, and of course let me mention the customer service here is really on point. So when you come here you can feel comfortable to shop, comfortable to have a bite to eat. So I hope you all enjoyed this little vlog. I would definitely recommend Fishbar and check it out.